Over the next few minutes, I'm going to demonstrate for you a simple, intuitive, and powerful way to quickly find answers to most of your business questions. Now, I'm going to do this with a new solution from SAP called BusinessObjects Explorer. And in the process, you're going to see how you can literally save hours, if not days, over the way you currently analyze your business data. Now, we're going to begin with a common web browser, and as you can see here, Explorer uses a very familiar internet-style search capability. I'm going to go ahead and click on search. When I do this, Explorer is going out against data that's being currently hosted in CSC's trusted cloud. It's going to bring back data sets, or as it's referred to in Explorer, information spaces. Now, it's brought back several for me to choose from, but what it's done to help me is it's ranked it by relevance. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the most relevant one. And after selecting that information space, you're going to see a page is being displayed. Now, this page is going to allow us to intuitively analyze the data that's being presented. And what you'll first notice is Explorer defaults to a high-level view of the data that's based on our original query. But it's also going to provide several powerful ways for us to quickly conduct an in-depth analysis. And this is where the fun begins. Now, in this particular case, we have some pre-calculated summaries. And I'm going to go ahead and select both incurred losses and premium. And you'll see when I do that quickly how this graphic down below is updated. I can also filter this data based on various facets that are available to me. And I'm going to just choose South Carolina, for example, and you'll see again the data is updated. I also have the ability to display data based on facets as well. In this case, I chose line of business, and you'll see how that quickly updated. You'll notice over here there's some summary data. Really, this is the detail behind what's being displayed here. I also have the ability to drill down, if I'd like, on the graphic itself to get additional detail. Or if I want to see the line level or row level detail behind this graphic, I can click on the table view and it will display for me the row data that makes up that summary data that's being displayed on this graphic. I can eliminate some of these filters and bring back the lines of business. And if I'd like, I can actually show this data in a couple other graphic representations. So in this case, I have a pie chart that separates out the losses from the premiums. And you'll notice as I float over top of this how it brings up the data that's underneath it. Now, a real powerful feature that allows you to collaborate with your colleagues is the ability to export this data. And you could export this data so you could also share it with clients. I could send them the raw data in a CSV file, or I could send it in an Excel format, either with just the data itself or including the graphic that's being displayed at the current moment, or I could just send the graphic itself. Another neat option is I have the ability to email, and I can send a link to a colleague that also has access to Explorer, and they will get this exact same filtered view. And another neat feature is the ability to bookmark the data, and by bookmarking it, I can come back to this data at any time. And I'll just show you real quick how I'm going to bring up some previously bookmarked data. And you'll see how fast this data loads. It's bringing up business objects, it's going out to the cloud, and bringing back the filtered view that I previously had up and saved. I hope you found this brief overview helpful in understanding how simple, intuitive, and powerful Explorer is. If your organization is looking for ways to quickly make sense of your data, now is a good time to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you.